right? So this is all based on the content that we have generated on YouTube. Now, if you open one of this idea, in just about a few seconds, we will get the details. So if you are a content creator and you have been posting all over social platforms, I have a good news for you. What if I told you there is a free AI tool that will analyze your existing social media content and turn them into digital product ideas that can sell? Welcome to day 210 of 2000 days of no code challenge. Yep, today I'm going to show you an AI tool that can turn your content into a sellable digital product. Meet PassiveCraft, an AI-powered tool that analyzes your content across Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, and gives you ready-to-launch product ideas along with formats, outlines, and monetization strategies. You don't need to brainstorm, overthink, or build a funnel. Just drop in your handle and PassiveCraft will let you know what your audience already wants to buy from you. Let's see how it works step by step. Head over to PassiveCraft.com, and as you can see, PassiveCraft is currently in development. We appreciate your support as we build something amazing together. So let's log in, and I'll go to get started here because we don't have an account, right? And I can give okay, so I will take our YouTube link and I will put it over here and start generating income. And then it's asking us for the email address. Let me put that. I'll click on generate, create account, and cut. Now I've used a password manager to generate this. As you can see, it's analyzing the content right now. So 29% done. Okay, and we have digital product ideas available. No code project blueprint from idea to MVP in 30 days. Okay, this could be one. Then it says AI prompt engineering for non-coders. Unlock the power of AI tools. It's an ebook, which is idea number 2. Then we have the no code tech stack directory. 100 plus tools to build your dreams, right? Guide. This is because we are doing this 100 days of AI series. Then it says automate your workflow. 50 time saving no code automation recipes. Again, for workbook. Then we have bizme.io, power user guide, mastering our all-in-one platform, ebook. Okay, we can also look for more ideas. You can see no code security checklist, protect your data and users. This can be in the form of guide. Then we have no code case study, building a profitable SaaS business without code, case study. Then we have troubleshooting common no code errors, a practical guide. It's a guide, right? And then we have AI legal contract review checklist for entrepreneurs, workbook. Then from tech novice to no code creator, a beginner's roadmap, ebook, right? So this is all based on the content that we have generated on YouTube. Now, if you open one of this idea, in just about a few seconds, we will get the detailed plan for this particular digital product. Okay, so here it shows it's stuck at 85%, but if we scroll down, then outline generated successfully, and the beep was for that. Okay, there could be some glitch in the platform as of now. Okay, as we saw in the beginning, it's still in the development phase, but let's see. Okay, book title, building a business with zero code. Then we have chapters and sections, ideation and validation, problem discovery. Then we have solution brainstorming. Then the next one is minimal viable product, which is MVP, definition, right? Core features prioritization, and then user persona development. Then comes no code tool selection, right? Where we have platform exploration and then tool integration strategies. The next step is MVP design and development. Okay, wireframing and prototyping, no code development process. The next step is testing and iteration, okay, which is where we do user feedback collection and data analysis and iteration, right? That is to collect feedback from users and analyze what could be improved and how do you do that and stuff like that. Then we have launch and marketing, okay, pre-launch buzz building, okay, generate excitement for your MVP launch through social media, email marketing, and content creation. Build anticipation and engage your target audience. Finally, we have launch strategy and promotion. Okay, this is where you launch the product and do the promotion. And one last step would be growth and scaling, performance monitoring and analytics, and scaling strategies and future development. Now, this is what it has given as the idea. You could then further analyze this and take it the way you want if you don't like what is given, or if you want to modify something in these steps. Most people don't realize this. When people are engaging with your content, that's a proof that people care about what you're sharing and they are liking what they are seeing. And PassiveCraft lets you turn that proof into something profitable. You don't need a new niche or a 10-step strategies. Just start with whatever you already have and let the tool help you get started further. Just start with whatever you have and let the tool suggest your next step. So do give it a spin, and if you find it helpful, share it with your creator friend. That's it from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.